This video shows you how to view your weekly benefit payment status. First, log into your Connect account. Click on View and Maintain Account Information. Click on Payment History to review your weekly benefit payment history for your claim. The Payment History page lists the date your claim was processed, the benefit amount issued towards your reemployment assistance claim, and your selected method of payment. The Payment History page will only display the weeks that have been paid toward your claim. If you would like to see details about the status for each week you have requested, click on View and Maintain Account Information, then select Weekly Benefit Details. If the status says Waiting Week, it means that the first week of your claim for which you would have been eligible for payment is an unpaid week according to state law. If the status says Disqualified, it means you have been determined ineligible to receive benefits for that week. You should check your non-monetary determinations in your inbox to find out the reason for disqualification. If the status says Monetary Ineligible, it means you did not earn enough money in the base period to be eligible to receive benefits. This could be due to earning money that cannot be considered for purposes of reemployment assistance benefits, or that the department did not receive your base period wage information during the wage verification process. If the status says excess reductions, it means that during the request for benefits payment process, you indicated that you earned more money than your weekly benefit claim amount for that week. If the status says hold, it means benefit payments are being held until the claim has been reviewed by the reemployment assistance team. If the status says pending monetary, it means that a monetary determination is pending on your claim. You should continue to request your benefit payments and check your Connect inbox to see if any additional information is needed to process your claim. If the status says pending, it means that the reemployment assistance team is reviewing your claim. You should continue to request your benefit payments and check your Connect inbox to see if any additional information is needed to process your claim. If the status says Payable, it means that you are due to receive your benefits for that week, and payment should be available in whichever payment method has been chosen. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.